In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Google Flow. We'll do this by updating the language setting in your Google account, since Google Flow and other Google products rely on that preference to display menus, buttons, and messages. By the end, your interface will switch to the language you choose, making everything easier to navigate. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Google Account and hit Enter. You're looking for the official Google account page. It typically appears near the top of the results, and the link leads to Google's Account Management Hub. Click the correct result to open it. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that. Enter your Google credentials and complete any verification that pops up. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure you're signed in to the one you want to change. You can confirm by checking the profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the page. Once you're in your Google account, look for the Personal Info section. You'll usually find it in the navigation on the left, or it may appear as a prominent tab on the main dashboard. Click Personal Info to open your profile settings. Scroll to the area labeled Language. It's often grouped under General Preferences for the web. This is the place where Google stores your preferred language for interfaces and notifications across its services. Click Language to move into the detailed language settings. Next, find your current preferred language. Right next to it, you'll see an edit icon that looks like a small pencil. Click that pencil to begin changing your preference. This opens the language picker and allows you to choose something new. Use the search box to find the language you want, such as Filipino or Spanish. As you type, matching options will appear. Many languages have regional variants, like different versions for specific countries, so select the one that best fits your needs. When you've found the right option, click Select. Your Google account will save the change and apply it to supported Google experiences, including Google Flow. Give the page a moment to refresh. In most cases, the new language appears right away, but some pages may need a quick reload to catch up. If something still looks unchanged, navigate to another Google page and come back, and you should see the updated language in action. That's it. Your language preference is now set, making Google Flow and related Google services more comfortable and intuitive to use.